Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades, and I run a YouTube channel that teaches people how to day trade options. Today is day 5 of the 7-day strategy release. So there are seven strategies that I use to day trade the stock market, and so I'm releasing one every single day, and today is day 5. So if you want to view the previous ones, go look on my YouTube channel, and if you want to be kept up to date of the ones to come, please subscribe and turn on those alerts so you'll be notified. And also like and comment. So one, I know that you're liking the content, or dislike it, so I know that you're not, and comment what you want to see next and what you liked. Alright, so today we're going to talk about a TTM Scalper alert. This is something that you can use solely by itself, or it's something that you can use, and in how I use it is I couple it with other strategies, especially ones that I've mentioned already in the previous videos. So let me first show you how to get to TTM Scalper Alert. The problem is TTM Scalper Alert is not on every software or trading platform. I know for sure, because I'm using it, that it's on the Thinkorswim platform. I cannot testify that it is on others. It is not on Tastyworks. It's not on others, because it's a special indicator. But let me show you how to get to it. You go to studies, and you go TTM, and you can see the TTM LRC, TTM Scalper Alert, TTM Squeeze, Trend Alert, and Wave. I think the Trend Alert is one that I made. I forget. I programmed one. Maybe I named it different. TTM Scalper Alert is the one that we're going to look at. When it's set on default, look how many arrows you get. It's just way too overwhelming. The way that I've seen most success with it, oops, wrong study, is setting it in between 0.4 and 0.5. So more times than not, I just go 0.5, and it eliminates the extraneous points, right? So it cleans up the chart a lot more. So you can definitely use this just to trade by itself. The problem is this is a lagging indicator. So when you see, for example, let's look at this specifically. So when you see that it gave a sell signal here, it did not give the sell signal on this candle. It gives it on the third candle. So something like that. The second or third candle, then it pops up. So yes, it is quite of a lagging indicator, but that's why I don't solely use it by itself. It can be used by itself. If you look at the results, obviously it can. Look, let's just go through and let's look at some. See? Look. Hold on, let me zoom in. Right? Sell, buy, back, sell, buy, back, buy, sell, right? This can totally work on its own, and I would love to see someone just take one contract and trade it in the direction that the arrow points every single time. And again, if you want to eliminate the extraneous solutions, just start to increase the number on the TTM alert. So what is TTM Scalper? Right? I'm sure that's what a lot of people are asking. See, look, you can see that cleans up the chart a lot better. It is a pivot and indicator. So it reads price action. It's basically doing what you should be doing yourself and what you should be able to do yourself, right? But it reads price action at pivot points. So pivot points are levels in the stock market where things tend to reverse, right? So it's reading the pivot levels, and it's reading the price action to determine if it should be a good buy or sell, and that's why it's a lagging indicator, because it can't determine that right on the spot, just like we can't usually determine that right on the spot. It takes like 1 or 2 candles after that to finally confirm its bias. So continuing on. I said it can be used by itself, especially, look, if we shrink it, we set it at 0.7, right? Oh, stop doing that. We set it at 0.7, okay? And you could obviously have bought a put around here, made money, right? You could have bought a call around here and made money. You could have bought a put around here and made a lot of money, right? But I think the best, so what am I saying is you can use it by itself. It's not 100% like everything, but it can help you use to assist. Because if you remember from the RSI divergence video I did, this was an RSI divergence. So you can couple that with the TTM Scalper Alert. Why? Because you go, okay, this is, I can see that, of course you would have the RSI indicator also pulled up, but like I can see this is an RSI divergence. this may be pushing to the upside, but the relative strength is decreasing. So we're going to see a reversal here, right? So that's what you could be seeing on the RSI. But then after we start to really see it reverse here, and you want that extra bit of confidence, you have that TTM scalper alert that pops up and goes, hey, you know what? It's a sell signal, right? And so therefore you have the RSI divergence and TTM scalper on your side. As day traders, we will never know everything. But if we can get almost everything, or as much as we can, lined up into one trade, then we're doing so well, right? So let me move this back down to 0.5. I'm gonna tell the that. Let me move this back down to 0.5, and again, adjust with the numbers. Play, test. That's all I got to where I'm at. I just tested with everything at random times, right? Let's see. I want to see a good example. Let's see. Do we have a but yeah, I mean, okay, here we go. No, not what I'm looking for. Let's see, Apple, don't fail me now. What I'm looking for is one of my favorite setups, the triangle pattern setup, where it is confirmed by the TTM scalper alert. So if we can see here, we're having this, not the best triangle setup in the world, but you have your solid base, so it's a descending triangle like I mentioned in the previous video, so make sure you go back and watch that. And we're having the lows starting to get lower, and we're starting to push through this support, right? So you can see that now that we're reversing and heading back down to the support, we're setting up for a triangle setup. So how do you know it's time to enter? Well, first off, you go, okay, well, the triangle pattern is telling me it's time to enter a put, right? But then you have this TTM scalper alert that says, hey, guess what? It's also a sell signal now. So you have that double ounce of confidence to trade, hey, you know what? I really think that these two things are lining up at the same time. It must be a sell signal. Again, it must be, not everything will always work out in your favor, but still, this worked out well. Easy 30%, right? Definitely not going to question that at all. Maybe 20. Who knows? But exactly, like, just use it, and like you can use it by itself by increasing the number and the indicator, or you can also couple it with other things, right? Also, like VWAP bounces, which VWAP is the last strategy that I'm going to talk about, and so there's not much more I can say about this or explain, because it's an indicator that uses pivot points and price action, and it's been programmed already, so I can't fully explain more. So I hope that helped, and I hope y'all can use that, and I hope that I can see y'all tomorrow tuning in for day 6. See y'all next time.